Hello everyone, I'm Shobhit Jayaswal from Global Medical Foundation Delhi, and it's an absolute privilege to be with the Dean of the International Education Faculty of Samarkand State Medical University. So I would like to ask sir that he introduces himself and tell all the students and all the parents about education and the international student faculty at Samarkand State Medical University. So please sir.
Namaste. So my name is Dr. Mamaradjabov Sobirjon. I am a Dean of the International Education Faculty of Samarkand State Medical University, and at the same time I'm the head of the Surgical Department of the Samarkand State Medical University for Pediatrics Faculty. So welcome to Samarkand.
Thank you sir.
So just I would like to tell you that Samarkand State Medical University was organized almost 100 years before. This year we are celebrating 95th year annual celebration of this university, and nowadays in our international education faculty they are studying more than 3,200 medical students from abroad, from foreign countries, and majority of that students are from India. Just I would like to tell you, authority of our university, the rector, honorable rector of our university, Professor Jasur Rizaev, is trying to organize all good conditions for education system and for study. For the foreign students and local students as well. It shows in their marks, in the numbers as well. 5 years before, the full number of the students in Samarkand State Medical University just were a little bit more than 4,000 students, but nowadays with the local students, more than 14,000 students, right. And more than 1,000 professors and teachers are teaching our students. So they are taking nowadays MD course. Right. So this is very important for students. 6-year study process, education process, and I have to say that recently our university got the Euro-Asian Accreditation and Attestation Committee as well. As we know, our university diploma has supported and has a good mark in the other foreign countries as well, including India. After graduating our university, usually our students should take the national exam, FMG exam. Yes.
Right.
Then they have to take some additional internship. Right. Then they become as a medical doctor, the same as Indian graduates from right. India, medical universities and institutions as well. I would like to tell you two things that I have to say that our foreign students are highly educated, majority of them, right. Very disciplined students. So our dean office trying to do the best communication process with the foreign students, because they are very far from the country, their relatives, their hometown and their host. So why we are trying to be very close with the foreign students. Right. So we have several hostels, and that hostels living especially fresh students. Right. And our agencies and our university trying to organize all good conditions for foreign students. And I have to say that all students, including Indian students, they can celebrate all the national, some holidays and events as well. Right. So I know that foreign students very active in the sport as well. Right. Just I would like to tell you, today we have opened very big event, sport festivals for foreign students. They are participating all agencies. So if I would like to tell you, so our foreign students from first course, they are very close to several medical departments, and they can freely to keep in touch with the patients as well, of
Right.
course, through the assistants, I mean the teachers.
Right, sir.
But the main thing is a language barrier from first course. I mean the Uzbek language and Russian language. But I know some students who knows several languages like Uzbek, Russian, even Tajik language, which is very common in Samarkand city where we are living.
Right, sir.
So we have a simulation center. The students knows very well. We have a very good library,
Right.
and we have all condition for good condition for study process of students from abroad. Just I would like to tell you that the number of the foreign students, I think in Uzbekistan, one of the first place in our
Yes,
university.
yes.
I hope I know, as far as I know, it was like that. So for our university, the foreign students can admit that they, of course, documents for admission. We have a 2 times intake,
Right.
September and February intake. So as you see, we have a very good weather.
Yes.
So I think you have to talk with the foreign students regarding study condition, education condition, living conditions as well,
Right.
and about our population. Then everything will be clear.
Right.
So I can tell you that even I was a graduate at this Samarkand State Medical University. At that time it was institute.
Right.
So this year, 30 years anniversary for our graduates. 30 years ago, I finished this university actually.
Oh, that's great.
So the students are very active actually.
Yes.
They have we have in our education process several times holidays. Even during holidays, the students' parents can visit their kids here.
Right.
We always welcome them. And some students, of course, they can go their country as well
Yes.
because of some celebration ceremony. But we have to say that our international education faculty dean office is very strict,
Yes.
because every time we have to emphasize in a very important point that students here coming only for study,
Yes.
and they have to study hard, because becoming a medical doctor is not easy.
Yes. Yes.
Not only in India or other countries, even in in the Uzbekistan as well. So we are trying to have a good communications with the foreign students, so they can come anytime, knock our dean office door, can ask something, and they can communicate with me also, no problem.
Yes.
Every time, 24 hours per 7 days, they can communicate with us. So again, I would like to tell you that about the condition, living, education, and all other conditions, I think it's better to have some conversation, some meeting with a foreign student. At that
Right.
time, you can explain to your countrymates about our condition, our study condition as well.
Right, sir. Right. So, like you said, sir, a lot of students are coming here from India, and the best part about studying at Samarkand State Medical University, as you have mentioned, is that the university is strict, but at the same time, the doors are open for all the students to get in touch with the management,
Exactly,
with you, so that any type of help that students might require at the university is always, like, you are always there to help the students out. So yes, I'll again say that this is my third time coming to Samarkand
Wow.
and to Samarkand State Medical University, and my students here are very happy with the quality of education, with the weather, which is again a very important factor, or it should be a very important factor for all the viewers before they decide which country or which university they want to go to.
Exactly.
Right. And again, like sir said, it's a very, very old university, and sir has graduated from the same university 30 years ago. And a lot of universities where Indian students might be thinking about taking admission in are not even 5-7 years old right now. So you have to go to a university which has the right experience, which has good number of Indian students, which has a proper faculty of international students, and like sir is there to help out for each and everything. So that is why I always tell students to come to a university, for example Samarkand State Medical University, because this is where you can actually learn, you can get your very good practical training and become a doctor. So I would like to thank you sir for your time
Thank
and
you.
for the important words and messages that you have given to the students and parents who are watching this video in India. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Again, it's a privilege to be here with you, sir. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you at Samarkand State Medical University.